Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a super short, exciting video. This video today is gonna be on what I wear, like makeup wise, when I go to school or when I take on clients. This is gonna be really important to you as an esthetician student or an esthetician, especially if you're newer, because clients look at you and they trust you based off of your appearance. They're there to talk about their skin, so of course you're gonna look at your skin. This tutorial is gonna be focused around what I do, what I wear when I go see a client, so that number one, they can trust me, and number two, you acquire more services this way. So if your eyebrows are put together, they're gonna wanna know what you do to your brows, and they might even consider getting their brows done by you. If your skin looks good, they're gonna trust you and they're gonna trust your recommendations, which is so important for retaining your clients. So get a notepad, grab a glass of wine, grab some coffee, and let's go through this look together. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday of the week. And like always, look me up on Instagram. It's Jojo Palacio for so much more things beauty. So let's get started. All right, guys, so this morning I am getting ready for school, and getting ready for esthetician school is a little different. Even though you are skincare and you should be primarily skin focused, meaning you should be handling your skin, you also want to look put together, but you don't want to be over the top. Honestly, a lot of the times when clients come into the store, meaning Sephora, they are always looking at you as an example. So if they're going into a spa setting and they're noticing that you've got way too much on, they're not really going to be able to trust you with their skin because they don't see your skin. Does that make sense? So let's do a quick makeup tutorial that's perfect for esthetician students, for estheticians. That way you guys understand, you know, what to do, what not to do. And this is just me and my take and how I feel clients react whenever they see certain things. So I'm going to start off by doing my brows. I don't really like to do too much to them. I just like to keep them nice and shaped up. This is always a really great way to get clients, guys, is if you are put together, your brows are looking good, they're taken care of, they're gonna start asking you questions because they're trusting you. So I'm gonna use my Anastasia Brow Wiz in chocolate to just kind of shape them up and give them a little, you know, something. So brows are put together, they're just very simple, very light, very natural. They've got some good shape to them, but this is honestly one of the conversations that I have the most in public or at school is who does your brows? That's a service for you, girl, so take it, make sure you're looking put together, work well presented. The next thing that I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of something on my skin. Again, clients wanna be able to trust you, they wanna be able to know that your skin is, you know, well taken care of. That way they feel that they're at ease and they're in good hands. So as an esthetician to school or to at school, you should be taking clients or you should be working. I like to use things like skin tints. One of my favorites, as you guys know, is the YSL Skin Glow. However, there's also this guy right here. So the light is really bright, sorry. So this is the Lancome Skin Feels Good Skin Tint. This guy also has SPF 23. It's got hyaluronic acid and moringa seed extract. So this is going to hydrate the skin while also giving you a tiny bit of coverage. The nice thing about skin tints is that they just let your skin glow. That hyaluronic acid is going to continue to attract hydration and moisture throughout the day. So even if you are working all day and you don't have a chance to drink your water intake, it is just a nice way to keep your skin looking put together while also having a little bit of skincare benefit to it. If you are taking on clients, you just want to keep in mind that you are your biggest marketing, you are your biggest advertisement, so just always have that in mind. And it's always more professional looking when you just look put together but not cray, you know? So this is pretty much it. I'm going to just bronze this up a little bit. I need it to be a little warmer. So the way that I'm going to do that is just use my Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick in the shade Medium Tan. This is just going to give me a little bronze, a little color, but keep it super soft and natural. And so I'm just gonna take that in the shape of an E or a 3, depending on the side that we're applying it. And this is gonna be very minimal. I just do this to, again, warm up my face, give myself a little bit of contour. You see how much better this side looks versus this pasty side. So I'm just gonna take this on an angled brush and just carve myself out a little bit. I mean, we're trying to look natural, but we don't gotta look basic. I'm just kidding. Okay, I love it. In the spirit of keeping things very soft, very natural, cream products really help to do that. So I'm gonna pull in a cream blush. This brand actually no longer makes this blush, but you can find tons of cream blushes. Nudestix has them. So does Rare Beauty, which is a brand by Selena Gomez. If you want to see a review on that, please subscribe to my channel. Take a minute, subscribe. I'm getting some stuff in gratis, and I will absolutely have a review as soon as I get my hands on it. So subscribe for more. And so this guy right here is just a pinched in the cheeks type of situation. This is actually a lip, eye, and cheek situation. However, I don't know what happened, but Urban Decay discontinued this. So this color is a very pretty color. There's tons of pigment, but you can absolutely blend this in and work it out to where it's like not too much. Sorry guys, I turned off that light. It was like super bright this morning. I don't understand why. So this color, it's like a barely there, but absolutely there. It's just very pretty, and it just blended in really well with everything. But you see how glowy and dewy the skin is? That's exactly what you want your skin to look like, because that's what clients are looking for. They're looking for good, pretty skin. So we're just gonna leave that on the skin. I'm gonna take a little bit of powder to the face, just a tiny bit. And I'm gonna try out this guy on the face. This is the Smashbox Halo Powder in Fair Light. Ooh, I forgot that. So it is just a compact that's got more like a grinder in it. If you guys seen my last video where I used it, I showed you like how exactly it works because it came apart, which was perfect. And so I'm just going to take a little bit of this on a brush, push that in. Just to help tone down some of the glow so it's not oily looking. I'm not putting, I just remember that I didn't do concealer and I don't know who I am, but I absolutely need concealer. I'm not going to put anything underneath of my eye, because I'm going to take some concealer to that, but I just need you guys to understand that with all the stuff that I put on my skin, this powder is working really, really well. So it's still newer to me, even though I liked it the first time that I used it, but it's always nice to see how it works in different settings. Ooh, super natural. Again, this is not a look that's like for everyone. This is honestly for esthetician students, for estheticians who just want something that's put together, that your skin still looks good, it still looks skin-like, but professional. And I think that's very important for us to talk about, because I feel like estheticians, or especially in school, students always show up without makeup. And Jovi is not showing up to school without makeup. Sorry, but I'm not. Like, I like it. That's part of me, who I am. So I just thought it would be fun to show you guys what I came up with and what I feel like professional makeup is for us estheticians. Since, you know, this is literally my last week that I'll be at school. So your girl's an esthetician. But just a little bit of concealer. And do you see the difference that makes underneath of the eye? And I should probably tell you what I'm using. So I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer. This is my go-to concealer, period. It is such a good concealer. Full coverage, a little bit goes a long way, obviously. I love to use this for brides and photo shoot makeup, but also for every day. Like, you don't have to be over the top to to get a concealer like this, because it's a great multitasker. It's an overachiever, guys. Okay, it could do it all. But I really like it. I'm using it in the shade 10N. And so I'm just gonna take that above like the bridge of the nose, on the sides, just to kind of contour up a little bit with the concealer. And then I just want to make sure I take it in the inner corner and right in that inner under eye area, because it's super important. That's where the most problems happen. And I'm going to take a little bit around the nose because I'm noticing a little bit of redness peek through. This is where I take advantage of any areas that did not get covered up with the skin tint, to just cover it up with a little bit of concealer. So this right here is still peeking through, looking a little red. The concealer can absolutely be full coverage if what you're using as the base is more of a skin tint, very light coverage situation. They just kind of balance each other out. And look at the skin that we're working with. This is pretty much going to be it for me today. I'm just going to put on a little bit of mascara. and keep it going. So let me do that and we will be back to do the outro. But this is it. Like, we're done. Professional skin. Let me just do my hair so I look professional. You know what I mean? Like, brush it. You guys know that I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna brush it. All right, guys, this is the finished look here. It is all about the skin right now. It is glowy, dewy, put together. Look at these brows. Like, if a client were to look at you at this moment, they would trust you with their skin because your skin looks great. And you look put together, but not over the top. And I feel like this is the ideal esthetician student, esthetician makeup look. It should always just be about the skin, and it should always put you in a position to where if a client looked at you, they'd be like, okay, yeah, I'll go with her. Like, I'll talk to this girl. So that's it for this tutorial. It was super simple. I hope that you guys liked it. If you haven't seen any of my other esthetician school blogs, please check them out. They are, there's a lot of just looking and seeing at what the experience is like. I don't do too much talking just because I would never consider myself experienced enough to teach you guys on anything like that. However, the makeup part of it, like, I know makeup and I know that this is ideal. It looks perfect. There's not a day that I don't go to school and someone's like, wow, your brows, who does your brows? Or like, what do you put on your skin? Or, you know what I mean? So this is just a way to get you guys to get more services and more clients just by the way that you look, which truly does matter in this industry. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We have goals on this channel to get to 1,000 subscribers by 2021. And the way that we've been doing that is by you guys liking, commenting, and sharing on your social medias. So please continue to do that. And thank you so much. I will see you guys next time. Bless you. Love you.